This is great.
So we have everything.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. I don't think I've seen this one.
So the
Where
This is
where
its
are we
little
now?
ranch.
Where are we now?
We
At the
are-
house.
right here.
Right, and where's the other house? Okay, so here we are. Got it. What's available? This is the back. This is where Robbie was looking,
This is another ranch.
right?
With all these.
Is this the golf course here?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Green is what?
Available.
All this is sold already?
Mm-hmm. 2 lots left.
You're kidding.
Well, with other builders, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we got these 2 lots left. Okay. This is beautiful. I've never been in this one. Alice, I know we got to go back.
No, take a look.
No, I just don't want to. Your time. Oh, this is. See, this is beautiful. Okay. Oh my God, Alice, we got to get back to the other place because you got stuff you got to do. This is gorgeous. Thank you for taking time to show me. Okay. I like this. Okay. Okay. We're good. You're the man. This is beautiful. We did good. Icon Home. Alister. Alister with Icon Homes in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Absolutely gorgeous.